right, how do we end the game? With the card game, the way we want it to look when we end the game is that when we get to the last card, so I'm on card 19, this is the last time I get to guess because it's going to display one more card. Display the last card, it tells me game over, it gave me score if I got it correct, and it disables the buttons. All of those things happened. It displayed the card, which card I was on, all of those things. So in my game, keep in mind, we still haven't shuffled the deck, so don't worry about that yet. Where would we put in the code to end the game? Well, we wouldn't put it in anywhere in here because this is when we first open the program, run the application. And we're not going to check to see if we're going to end the game right there. We really want to do it right after we've done each of our guesses on higher and lower, because that's what triggers the final moment. So if I'm looking at this, I've just told you if it was correct or incorrect. I moved to the next card and then I displayed the card. So I could put some code in here to check end game or something like that if I wanted to. I could put that in there. But in reality, I already have a common method, which is display current card, which is the last thing called at the end of these, and I want to display the last card. So I'm going to put it at the end of display current card, and I'm going to have some kind of if statement. So I just type if and hit true. I want to display, I think I chose here, which I call this TB instructions. So I want to display in TB instructions the text. In the text, I want to say game over in TB instructions if the game is over. We haven't figured that part out yet. And I also need to disable my buttons. So I have my button higher, and the disable button by saying is enabled equals false. And btn lower dot is enabled equals false. So that disabled my buttons. That displayed game over. This displayed my last card. Well, when I display my last card, what value is current card going to be? I'm going to have some if statement in here. I'm going to say if current card is equal to what? When it's my last card in my array and I've just displayed it, what number is that? That's the number I want to put there. And that's the puzzle for you to solve. I think you can guess it. It's going to be pretty easy. There's not many numbers you can choose from. Give it a try. Make sure that whatever number you put there, that when you finish your game, it says card 20 of 20 and doesn't crash and disables and says game over. I'll let you figure that out, and we'll see. I'll do one more video on this, which will be the shuffling video. Good luck.